Welcome to Hire IT People, Inc. Please visit us at hireitpeople.com/jobs to view our new requisitions on a daily basis. You can also follow us at Hire IT People on your favorite social platforms. Today's job ID is 32835. The job location is in Seattle, Washington. The candidate should ideally have the following skills: SDET with 6 to 8 years of Python key development and automation experience. Experience in implementing end-to-end automation in integrated applications. Experience in writing complex SQL queries. Experience in cloud environment. Kafka streaming data holding experience. Ideally, the candidate should have experience of 6 years. No certifications are required. Face-to-face interview process is not required. For the detailed job description, please follow the link in the description of the video. Thank you for your time and have a good day. Hire IT People, Inc. Please visit us at hireitpeople.com/jobs to view our new requisitions on a daily basis. You can also follow us at Hire IT People on your favorite social platforms.